recently, ang gobyerno may nalaman as allowed travel leisure from NCR plus to areas under modified community quarantine. However, it has come to my attention that some travelers arriving in various parts of the country, most notably in Boracay, are presenting fake COVID-19 tests. Huwag ho ninyong gawin yan at makukumpurismo lang kayo. Hindi lang man, pati yung gastos ninyo. Kindly check at least twice over whether or not you have the genuine certificates. I am also directing the Department of Tourism, the Philippine National Police, and all local government to arrest those presenting fake tests and enforce strict compliance on protocols of local tourism. Do not be afraid to file sanctions.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.